This year, nearly 60,000 Americans will be diagnosed with pancreatic cancer.
Jeopardy host Alex Trebek has become a spokesperson of sorts for them as he currently battles the disease. For most, the odds of surviving pancreatic cancer are not good.
There is a group, though, the so-called 10% Club, who are defying the odds. Health editor Dr. Maria Simbra introduces us to a local woman who's part of that club.
6 years ago, Kathy Miller had severe pain in her back. She thought it was her gallbladder. She was stunned when the doctors told her it was pancreatic cancer.
It just kind of bowled me over. I wasn't prepared for that one. When somebody tells you you got stage 4 cancer, your mind goes blank. And then the panic sets in. How do I handle this? What do I do?
For 6 years, she's taken chemotherapy treatments.
I've been so fortunate and so blessed. I haven't been sick from any of them.
She passes the time crocheting blankets for her friends and the staff at the cancer center.
I keep busy doing that, and then a lot of it is a way of giving back sometimes. I'm not good at math, and you'd be amazed at how much math goes into crocheting.
Perhaps fitting then, her experience doesn't add up. Kathy has outlived the odds.
The life expectancy with treatment is about 8 to 11 months, depending on what type of treatment the patient can receive.
Researchers are now looking at why some pancreatic cancer patients, like Kathy, survive for years when most do not.
It's about 10% 5-year survival.
Usually at the time of diagnosis, the cancer cells have traveled through the bloodstream to other parts of the body. Survivors may just be lucky.
So the patients who make it to 5 years and beyond are probably those who had it discovered right on time and the disease had not already metastasized. Some patients may have some type of immune mechanism that just targets any type of cancer cell.
To figure out if these factors or others play a part in a better prognosis, doctors are examining the tumor tissue of people with pancreatic cancer who have lived longer than 5 years. Any similarities could point to why some people do better.
Hey, Cassie.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well.
Kathy gets CT scans every 3 months to monitor any progression. She says the tumor has grown, but not much.
Very minutely.
We are certainly surprised that she has done so well. It's a pleasant surprise. She is a very positive person. She has a great outlook towards life.
I just look on the bright side, you know, and just keep going as long as I can.
She would like to stay independent, and she takes one day at a time. I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA News.